Itina Ngwatanio ya Athukumi Imanyisyo Sya Yiulu Kuthingiliila Kana Nimekuendaa Kutwaiisya Mukomo yu Amwe Amanyiwa Nimakulya Silikali Kwisila Muviani wa Kisomo Ithinikie Mathina na Mituki ni kana Mawalanio wa Kisomo Maendee ingi nimaelesya kana bena muisyo wa Amanyiwa Imanyisyo Sya Yiulu kulika mituo ni temelu tautume iwanda wasya kumila uwo kebinani la Ngwatanio sya Athukumi Imanyisyo Sya Yiulu Maendee Kuthingiliila Kana Mukomo niwendee nginya wala Silikali Kutwaiisya Kiocho Dan
Kwisila kuyumwe watongoi Amanyiw'A kimanusoni chama cha Coast University ni kanave na wata wa Silikali kuminangusa ni suila sivo na Athukumi Imanyisyo ithi nundu mathao Amanyiw'A Maendee kwitha me mwisoni ndoto yo ya umina masomo kuyende na ulika kivindu kila muthenya.
And today I want to just ask the government to kindly chip in so that this standoff between lecturers and the union, between the union and the government is solved. One thing that we are facing as students is there's a lot of financial constraint and mental frustration because students at the moment are trying to find side hustles. At the same time, you understand that all jobs need about certification and experience, meaning making students to go and get involved in very risky side hustles. So it's a humble request that the government should act. And one thing that is key at this point in time is the silence of the higher office in the land. The president is not talking about this issue. That makes us as a youth to question what are the priorities of this government. Are out there doing petty politics at a time higher education, which should be very significant.
Uko vinanila unani wayo Ngwatanio ya uwasu yende inaothingilia kana ndisa usyoka uyane ngina vala Silikali ya kati Kwisila Muviani wa Kisomo Kutwaiisya Kiocho na kuyanisya mawendimo ala mamini uthachembe wa muviosu.
In the cabinet, what do we discuss as a government? We understand that students are suffering, HELB is underfunded, health is also an issue entirely in the country, and also lecturers are also being underfunded. So the 7.9 billion, I asked the government, please heed to the agreements that were put in place and do as requested. If not, ask the government again through the individual universities, release the students, because you understand we are coming at a point where COVID-19 had impacted the academic calendar. Again, the lecturer strike is extending it. So it's a humble request that the government give us our free education like it was promised and fund the lecturers, because this crisis is not for the students. We've not created it, it's on your side.
Universities zote zimefungwa. Wale watoto wetu wako huko hawajaenda nyumbani, wanangojea hii strike ishe, national strike. Huyo rais wetu wakati anatembea anafanya nini? Si akae chini ya solve that one first. Sasa tembea kila mahali. Watoto wetu wa vyuo vikuu wanaharibikia shule. Hatujui wanafanya nini. Wengine nimeona wanafanya kazi kwa mijengo. And we have a president who is talking about transforming the country to a level of Singapore. Sasa, how are you transforming when you are killing the education sector?
Daniel Munkela, Mutungu TV, kuma kauntini ya Masaka.